What's going on, YouTube? Another quick video here. This is one of my new babies. I just got it a couple days ago, and I just threw these rims on it, these 20s with the 275 55 20 tires. These originally came with the 16s right here, little grandpa wheels. So I didn't really like it, even though the guy put new tires on the front, but I didn't like it. Another thing, if anybody knows, I'm getting some oil leaks, especially when I turn off the truck. When it's running, it doesn't really leak, but I know the front of the engine, the front of the cover is wet, and underneath the turbo is a little bit wet. I haven't gotten to that yet, so, but yeah, I put those 20s on there. They look really nice. Looks like a diesel truck now. I think those are from like an 07. This is an 04 6.0 turbo diesel. But anyway, just trying to see where that leak is coming from. If anybody knows, can help me out. It seems to leak when I shut off the truck, but when it's running, it's not really giving me any issues as far as the leaking. But it runs great. It's got 211,000 miles. Like I said, if anybody knows, can point me in the right direction, I'll appreciate that. These are the two shocks that I just bought. So you can see the bushings on these. They both of them, they rotted out, I guess, and it was making like a clunking, rattling sound in the back. And I got these. I don't know too much about these, but what's the part number on these? Lifetime warranty from Advance, from Monroe's 911194. Got lifetime warranty on them. I think it was like about 70 bucks each, something like that. I did see them on Amazon for cheaper, but I really can't wait. So when you take them out the box, I take out the those straps that it comes with, and I push it all the way down, let it come up a couple times, kind of like to prime it. One of them primed fine. When I did the second one kind of like went down a little quick, but after a couple times when I did them, they both go down nice and slow, and they come back up nice and slow. I wasn't gonna do this video, but this video is pretty quick. The job is pretty quick itself. It's just got two bolts, one on the top, one in the bottom. I took the spare out just for easy access here. You don't gotta jack up the truck. You got one 18 millimeter nut that goes up there, and then you got one 18 millimeter nut and bolt. It goes right there. They're all 18. And it came out really nice. I was surprised how fast and easy this is. So I'll bring you guys along. I'll try to bring you guys along because I don't have a stand for this phone. So this is like the hat piece. The hat piece goes on the top. Kind of acts like a dust cover, I guess. And then you just slip it on top there. Let me see, there's something in the way up there. Should put like a little bit of grease on there, but I really don't want to. Just put this nut on there just so it can hold it, doesn't come out and hit me in the face. I think the torque spec for these nuts, I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that, it's like 44 foot-pounds. But yeah, let me try to see. Put this here, try to show the bottom on this one. Get up the sun. Hope you guys don't fall from there. but obviously you have to compress the shock in there. I forgot to grab my long screwdriver, because if I have a long screwdriver or the long pry bar, I can set it under here and compress this up. So not too much leverage over here. A lot of people, they just put it on there brand new with the strap on it, and they cut it and let it just glide into there. But like I said, I wanted to prime it, and a good thing that I did prime it, because one of them just went down kind of fast. I thought I was gonna have to just take it back to the store, but I'm gonna just compress it. I'm gonna just put this little crowbar under here and just compress it up, and then just bring it. That wasn't too bad. Let me see what I got here. Okay, I don't have the crowbar. I don't want to get up, but I do have this. Hope you guys saw that. I do have this too. I can use it to pry it up. It already went through. It's that easy, guys. And believe it or not, I got this trusty Hercules. I bought it at Harbor Freight. The 20 volt, 5 amp batteries, half inch. You buy the battery and a charger, and they give you the drill for free. 5-year warranty with it. So I'm like, you know what? That's not too bad. So I did all the wheels on this truck myself. I didn't have to take out no breaker bar to loosen up the nuts. These took them all out like nothing. So nice little drill to have. That's why I bought it, because I was tired of always taking the nutlets off with the breaker bar and then getting the drill. It's a pain in the ass sometimes. So it's got a half 18 here. Snug that up right there. Do the top. Then I'll just get the torque wrench, and that's it, guys.